Hi folks, welcome back to another episode of We Can Help With That here at Chandler. I'm Ken Landry, and today we're going to debunk the myth regarding green chemical and it not performing as well as conventional products. Now I know what you're going to say. It's just colored water. If it doesn't smell, it doesn't work. I clean like my mother cleaned. Today, we're going to clean some serious grease stains and dirt from a surface using a product from Dustbane called Emerald. This degreaser is third-party eco-logo certified. What this means is Dustbane paid a third party to test their product to ensure it met, and in some instances exceeded, every standard available in Canada to be classified as truly green. So what we're going to do is we're going to apply equal amounts of product to both stains and see if we can get a similar result. As you can see, both products work similarly well, but the Eco-Logo third-party certified is a green product and much safer to use and better for the environment. So hopefully you enjoyed our little demonstration today, debunking the myth regarding conventional products and green products. Just remember, just because it's green doesn't mean it won't clean. I'm Ken Landry with Chandler, and again, this is how we can help with that. Thanks and have a great day.